Hello expert designers, today we are back with another modeling tutorial. Uh, Here we had a good chance to learn about some surface modeling tools. So here I had received this step file, and the client had tell me that he want this two type of hex nipple in the step file. So he had told me to do that. So first of all, there is a step file, and we are going to do this in step by step. So you will learn some very uh, good good tools about surfacing and modeling. So stick to the tutorial, and let's get started. So first of all, go to your surface module. If you have not, just right click here and get your surface module and select delete face. So with delete and patch command, we can actually remove the fillets. Yeah, we can remove tangent faces, and it will get it original shape. And by clicking OK, you will get the results. Yeah. Okay, so now we had to create these two bodies. Okay, so first we had to split it. So how we are going to do this? We are selecting the offset surface, selecting this surface, select the distance 0. So what it will do, it will just copy this surface. Okay, and select OK. Now I am going to surface body and just isolate this offset body, select extend surface, and just extrude it up to 150 mm. It will enough. Okay, and must check this box, same surface. Okay, and click OK. So and now click exit isolate. Yeah, we had our split tool. Okay, now if we are going to the direct editing tab, select split. Now he is asking for trim tools. We have our trim tool, and he is telling us to delete the splitting the body. So yeah, we had this body, only this one. Okay, so now cut body. Okay, so now we are selecting both the bodies. Just click this scissor icon, and it will select all the bodies, and click OK. So now we have our three bodies. One this hexagonal glad, this body main, there is a cylinder head cover, and this mounting bolt or say mounting base. Okay, now we need to delete this surface tool, splitting tool. Now what we are going to do, we are just copying these two bodies. Okay, select this one and this one. So according to the origin, we can first apply the distance into z axis 80 mm, and in downward direction x direction -10. Okay, so yes, and make sure you copy, check this box, so it will copy the bodies, and click OK button. So yeah, now do the same for this two bodies and uncheck this box. We are moving this body, and from the origin give the dimension -80 mm and +10 mm for the upward direction. Okay, so yeah, one thing, we have our hole left, so it is a curvature body. Okay, it's not a straight face. So with using this delete face command, we can actually remove it like it the magic happens. Delete and patch, and by selecting this face and click OK, and yes, we have our complete body right here. So now we are creating two holes here in the cover. Select this face and select normal view, select circle, and create two circle here. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. And select through all, click OK. Now we have our bodies, and now what we have to do, we have to combine this in a single body. We have 5 solid bodies. Okay, so now go to direct editing, select combine, and select this one and this one. Yes, we add this complete cylinder head body. Yeah, we have done it. And now select fillet, select the radius of 3 mm and select this face and this edge, sorry, not face. Okay, so yeah, we have done it. Press Ctrl 7 for isometric view. Hope you learned something new, and see you in the next tutorial. And don't forget, keep designing. Thank you.